I'm going to briefly go over how to connect a Visual Studio project to GitHub so that you can store your code in a repository. So the first thing we need to do is go down to the bottom right corner and click on Add to Source Control. And then click on Git. Because Microsoft owns GitHub, this is a very seamless process. So the top field where it says local path underneath initialize a local Git repository, it's going to default to a local path in the source repos folder. If you're good with that, just keep that there or change it to whatever your preference is. And then for the second field there where it says account under create a new GitHub repository, if you're already signed into this, then just select whatever your account is. Otherwise, click on sign in. Then click on the GitHub account option there, and the GitHub page is going to load, and it's going to prompt you for your sign in. If you don't have an account already, then you're going to have to register for an account. Otherwise, go ahead and log in with your current GitHub account. This page here goes over the permissions that Visual Studio needs to access your GitHub account and be able to push code to your repository and pull down code as well. Go ahead and click the Authorize GitHub button, wait for the page to load, and you're all set. Now we're taken back to this screen where you'll see in the account field there, it'll have your GitHub account, and under owner, it'll be the name of the primary person who owns that account. Repository name defaults to the project name in Visual Studio. And then you'll see at the bottom where it says push your code to GitHub, and it'll have the full path to your project. As long as everything looks good to you, click on the Create and Push button. It'll take you right back to Visual Studio. Give it a moment to load, and then you'll see down in the bottom right corner it'll have your project name where it's telling you that it is connected to your GitHub repo.